Good morning and welcome to the Anviltraz Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee, here with semi-retired co-host, Harris Toth. How's it going, Harris?
Good.
What do you have on your head there?
It's a bun. Man bun.
A man bun? We don't allow those on the show. I'm not thinking of a man bun. Okay, anyway, on to sports. Sorry, this is a really dry bun. In basketball, Minions beat Bad Daddy 24-16.
Tommy Gun and Chop Shop tied in soccer.
And in baseball, we have Fester with 6 and Dre Chain with 6, making it a tie. Well, that's all the time we have for this morning. I'm your host, Jordan Lee, signing off. What is that? Yeah.